Hello everybody. So today I am going to do the Kinky twist, and I have my ingredients. I'm only using two natural ingredients, which is the flaxseed gel, which I put in the pickle jar. And I also use the almond oil, which I put in this bottle. So what I did is I already detangled my hair. I parted my hair in 8 sections, and it's a lot easier to style it when you have it in 8 sections, especially when you have this type of hair and this type of length. So you want to make sure that you make it easier for yourself, like whatever style that you're doing. If it's going to take more than an hour to complete, you want to make sure that you part your hair in 8 sections. All right, so this is my very first strand, and I'm actually going to do 6 kinky twists in each section. So that's my goal, because I don't want to do it too small and I don't want to do it too big. So I kind of just like did in between, and it's less time consuming as well. So I'm going to use my flaxseed gel. If I can open it. All right. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the flaxseed gel and place it onto my hair. All right, so this is a good amount. And just rub it together. Okay. And this will make the style last longer, so it's a good, nice balance of an edge control. It's not really like a real edge control, but it works perfectly for this style. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my strand as well, so that the twist can lock better. So I'm going to braid to my scalp first. Then I'm just going to twist the rest of this strand all the way down. All right, and now I have my first kinky twist. Okay, and then I'm just going to repeat. All right, so I am halfway done with my hair. I twisted 4 sections in the back, and this is what it looks like. And I kind of just like went straight down on all sections. So what I would have to do is use some bobby pins to just kind of like cover the parts up a little bit if it's showing. But this is what it looks like so far. I only used flaxseed gel on all of the twists. I did oil my scalp with the almond oil, but I didn't just use it all over my hair. So I basically just used a good bit of the flaxseed gel to hold it down. So this is what it looks like so far. Yes. So now I just have to do the front. Also, you want to get a hand mirror. This is very important when you're doing the back of your hair, because if you don't, you're not gonna know how your part looks. If your part is straight, crooked, you want to get a hand mirror for that. So mirror. So like when you use the hand mirror, some people don't actually know how to use the hand mirror while they look at the back of the other mirror. I don't know, but anyway, when you use the hand mirror, you just want to look straight through, and you just want to look at the back of your hair and make sure that your part is straight, so that you won't mess it all up and be like, oh my gosh, I gotta start all over. So yeah, very important. Now I did arrange it a little bit, just, you know, like kind of made it into a little style. It was just all straight back, so I just kind of like took some of the pieces and put it on this side, and yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. I am so tired, it's not even funny, but yeah. Now there may be some parts shown in the back. I might have to cover that up with one of my twists, but this is what it looks like, y'all. So yeah, I braided each twist to my scalp. Like I braided it to my scalp, and then I twisted the rest down. So that's how I did that. And I used flaxseed gel. This was my flaxseed gel, my homemade flaxseed gel. So this flaxseed gel is actually really good. I bought flaxseed from Walmart for like $4 to $5, and I boiled it on the stove, and then I put it in the jar. I didn't even have to use stockings. I just like scooped it out with a big spoon, and then yeah, I put it on my hair. I put it on all my strands, so each twist is filled with the flaxseed gel, or yeah. So yeah, I didn't word that right, but it's okay, I'm tired. One more thing that I was gonna mention is, it's perfect for twist outs too. So if you want to rock a nice crispy twist out, use flaxseed gel, because flaxseed gel is perfect for your natural hair. If you want to rock your curls, if you want to define your curls, if you want to define your twist out, the flaxseed gel is perfect. And it's also good for braids and twists as well. That's why I use the flaxseed gel. I wouldn't use the flaxseed gel as an edge control, because it's not meant to be an edge control. Like edge control is more stiff, like you hold those edges down, like it's like slick down, but that's not what the flaxseed gel is for. So I'm gonna have to find something that can be used as an edge control with no alcohol, no chemicals and all that. So yeah, y'all, so this is my hair, and thank you all for watching. I will be posting more tutorials in the future. I'm gonna wrap it up with the satin wrap. It's important to wrap your hair up at night, especially if you're doing this kind of style. Like, you do not want to do a beautiful hairstyle and then not wrap it up, because then the next morning you're gonna look a hot mess again. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Like, no. So you need a satin wrap or a silk scarf. It's like something silky or soft. Like, you need something that's gonna hold down your hair. No cotton. Don't try to wrap your hair up in a bandana. No. You need a satin wrap or a silk scarf.